च नमो कृष्णवे च प्रमृषाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिने च
Namaste, everybody. We hope you are enjoying the program brought to you by Hindu Temple of Dayton and Bharat Media. So, this is a beautiful atmosphere here. We are coming live to you from Hindu Temple of Dayton. The divine chanting has given a great atmosphere all over Om Shanti Hall and the temple. I hope if you are locally, you will definitely make an attempt to come and watch the Homam in person also. So to talk about this Homam, we are inviting the president of Hindu Temple of Dayton, Dr. Hema Pandrangi, for just a few minutes, and then we will connect you back to the live program. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Hema.
Thank you, Bharat FM. Thank you. And thank you, devotees, for making this 3-day Maharudram and Shatachandi Homam a great success so far with your participation. Thank you. I welcome you all to participate.
Thank you, Dr. Hema, for joining for just a few minutes. We would like you to tell us a little bit more about what is so special about this event. We know that Hindu Temple of Dayton always has wonderful pujas and homams and a variety of events for all the community to help with the welfare of the humanity and all of us here in Dayton. So can you kindly tell us a little bit more about this particular homam?
Maharudram and Shatachandi Homam together are being performed for the first time in Ohio. It is being performed for the peace, prosperity, and health of our Dayton community and the universe at large. This Shatachandi Homam is very unique and a very powerful Homam, and it has taken a lot of effort from various community members to make this happen for our community. We have procured materials from South India, Texas, Florida, and Canada to perform this very special homam to please the most compassionate form of Devi Durga, which is Devi Chandi. And when I looked at some of the sites in India where they do it, the temples actually advertise that the homam, Shatachandi Homam, takes 2.5 days with 50 expert priests, and the average cost is 3.5 lakh rupees. Whereas our community members can just come and get the blessings of this homam.
Wow, that is incredible, Dr. Hema. Sorry, please go ahead. Did you have anything else to add about the homam?
As I said, the materials came from far and wide, and these include a variety of medicinal herbs like wood apple, bilva fruit, and various medicinal herbs. So the Homa Samagri is very elaborate and is prepared, put together by several community members with great devotion. And it is going to be wonderful for our environment to have this Homa. Dayton community is truly blessed. And
we are indeed blessed. Yes, please go ahead.
And the people who have come to perform this homam are not actually priests. They are actually professionals who have learned and who have a mission of promoting our Sanatana Dharma, what our ancestors have prescribed and taught us. They want to bring this to the common man. So these professionals who have taken Diksha and who perform certain rituals on a regular basis have traveled from Austin, Texas, Canada, and several other states in US, such as New York and Carolina. They're here, 42 of them, and also our community devotees have joined them. So we have a large group that is performing just like trained priests.
That is wonderful to hear. It is amazing that we are here in Dayton and so blessed to witness this very special event that's happening right here. And from folks who have traveled from around the country to be here, that is indeed special. So please tell us, why do you think community members should be involved? I see a beautiful banner behind you. Can you please tell us a little bit more about how it's connected to the priest retirement plan?
Yes, while we pray for the peace, prosperity, and health of our community, we are also praying for the prosperity and health of our priests, and we want to secure their retirement. All of us work and do have a retirement plan built into our earnings. Our priests have served the temple for 30 plus years. They have a small salary. There is no retirement. There are no other benefits. It is a responsibility of each and every one of us to take care of their retirement, just like we take care of our own and our parents. We have gone to them in our moments of happiness when we had our first child. We have gone to them in our moments of sorrow, and they have done Mahamrityunjay mantra jap or Shanti Path. Now it is our turn to help them so that they don't have this financial anxiety as to what happens to them after they retire. They live in the housing provided by HCO with no other benefits. HCO board wants to raise $600,000 to help this project. So far, we have raised $275,000. My many thanks to all of you who have contributed very generously. I urge you all to open your hearts and wallets and pledge to support our priest retirement. You could even do this in 2 installments if you desire to do so. You could give us a pledge, pay 1 installment to HCO as a check before December 31st, and the next before June 2022.
That is indeed a wonderful cause that we are having this event for. And I can attest to how blessed we are to have both Pandit Ramesh ji and Pandit Ashwini ji here at our temple. I was just telling Pandit Ashwini ji yesterday, as soon as I saw him, I felt a kind of peace and calm inside me. So that is the kind of priests that we have here. And we are truly blessed to have them. And I hope more and more community members come out and help us donate generously to help our priests to have a secure retirement. Definitely, we should all come in as a community to support our wonderful priests here. So thank you, Dr. Hema, for that. Now, one last question before we end this conversation is, as a doctor, what would you recommend? People have anxiety now because COVID is still going on and we are having this big event at the temple. I know many of us would love to be at the temple all throughout the event, throughout the Homam. But do you think it is safe for people to come in? I do think that there are people who are having that anxiety and that worry.
Yes, that has been the anxiety since COVID started. But now all of us are vaccinated. And I want to tell you, as a physician, this is a pandemic of the unvaccinated. So I also want to assure you that all of the participants who have come from out of state are double vaccinated and they're screened. They're all healthy and they're taking all the precautions. The Homam is also being conducted outdoors. So if you are outdoors, double vaccinated, wearing a mask, your risk of anything bad happening to you is minimal. So being locked down is not good for your mind. It's important that we resume a normal life, taking all precautions. If you are not vaccinated, please do not come. We have asked all of our out-of-town guests that they be vaccinated, and they have responded positively. So we ask the same of our community. Get vaccinated and come only if you're vaccinated. Wear a mask for your own safety. All safety precautions are being taken. The Homam is outdoors. And tomorrow is the grand finale. It starts at 7 a.m. and ends around 12 noon, followed by Abhishekam in our main temple.
Wonderful. That is great to hear. So we are telecasting live this Homam event throughout the world. So Dr. Hema, if somebody is tuning in from another place, not Dayton, and if they really feel like being generous and donating to this great cause, can they donate online?
Yes, they can donate online. However, for donations greater than $500, we urge everyone to send a check. And, my number is 937-776-7558. They can text me and I can make the process very simple. And all of the board members' names are on the website. And I do believe our contact email addresses are also on there. telephone numbers should be there. They can contact either me or any one of the current Hindu community organization board members, as well as Manoj Kumar, who is ex-president of XCO and who is actually championing this cause and helping us a lot. So they can
Wonderful.
contact Manoj Kumar.
Wonderful. So viewers, our dear viewers, you've heard directly from Dr. Hema, who is the president of Hindu Temple of Dayton here, Hindu Community Organization. We have fabulous board members and community members here who are supporting this great cause. So wherever you are in this world, if you are listening, if you're tuning in, if you're enjoying and participating in this homam, kindly also support the great cause for the priest retirement plan. Together, we can secure their future. We can give back a little bit of all the great work that they have done for this community and for Hindu community everywhere, in fact. So thanking you, Dr. Hema, for taking this time to talk to us a little bit. We are going back to the homam live event shortly. And do you have any other statements before we end this conversation? Anything else to add?
Yes, Hindu Temple of Dayton is doing this homam with the help of GRD Iyer's Gurukul. As I mentioned before, these are a group of professionals who want to promote Sanatana Dharma, and they are experts in Devi Mahatmyam and Sri Rudram, and that is what they are here performing at our temple.
And I have actually been listening to the homam, the chanting, and I have to say it's a divine atmosphere. So if you are local, please don't miss it. You have to come into the temple. Again, just be careful. If you're vaccinated, you're most welcome to come in. And please do wear mask and take precautions still for our own safety, for the safety of our community members. But we hope to see great numbers turning in, especially for tomorrow's grand finale, as Dr. Hema mentioned. So thank you once again, Dr. Hema. I'm sure our community members will be there to support our temple, our beautiful temple, our wonderful priest, and we will see everybody today, evening, as well as tomorrow. Thank you once again. We are going back live.
Thank you.
We're going back live to the event.
शाश्वताय च नमः शूराय चावविन्दते च नमो वर्मिणे च वरोधिने च नमो बिल्बिने च कवचिने च नमः श्रुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो दृष्टवे च प्रवृषाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिने चेषुतिमते च नमस्ते शेषवे चायुधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः स्तुत्याय च पत्याय च नमः कात्याय च नीत्याय च नमः सूर्याय च सरस्वत्याय